Hi friends, so for Mini Kit Monday, I am still working with my kit that I put together for Shimelle's August Best of Both Worlds series she's doing, and I brought it into Mini Kit Monday because I am having so much fun with it. Now at this point, I did 2 layouts for Mini Kit Monday, stole the kit for something else, so that's a 3rd layout, and this is the 4th one I am doing, so I am down to 1 full sheet of pattern paper left. The sheet is from Pink Fresh, and it is the Let's Stay Home collection, Hope for a New Day. So I'm going to be using this gorgeous deep periwinkle side of that. And the photo I'm going to use is this one right here of my daughter Shay and her girlfriend. They were in Colorado having drinks. And now if you're following along with the Best of Both Worlds series, Shimelle, being she, just did a thing where she did a bunch of stamps of cameras, and I have a different stamp set, but I had cameras in it, so I went with it. And she repeated them over and over as kind of a background on her paper. So I know I'm going to use this for my background. And then I had this big sheet of white with like charcoal gray little skinny stripies. And it is, unfortunately, the back of this cut apart, but we're not going to pay attention to that. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Distress Oxide to stamp a bunch of cameras. Not sure how many. Knowing me, it'll be an odd number, so I'm going to do that next. Oh, and I did already come up with my title. So I'm going to have Big Girl Drinks, and then in my little font, I have Colorado 2020. The alphas that I'm using I have these LE Studio in teal that I got 1,000 years ago. They're from 2015, and I don't know. Don't even know where I got them. And then I also have this set from Tuesday Morning, and they're called Shine On, and they are gold glitter with a really nice aqua on the side. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to stamp off a bunch of these little camera bits. And here is, I think this is big enough. So I'm going to stamp them, I don't know, a few times each. That way I don't have to think too much about the deciding parts of things. All right, so I'm going to stamp them in this, like I told you, it was peacock feathers. Yep, it's just big enough. A few times on this, cut off my branding strips, trim my photo, and come back to you when I have a little idea of where the design's going to go. Okay, quick check-in. I'm going to have something with these cute little cameras coming down the side. Great. And they're in a really deep teal. Then I went ahead and Frankensteined this piece of paper in. It has a little seam there. I'm going to see if I can put something there. And have a triple mat there. And then this little piece right here that is missing. I'm going to have this cute little unicorn kind of tilted right there. Now, I do know I'm going to be bringing in my title, which I might put it up top this time. I don't always do that, so I should change things up now and again and have it like that. Then I'm going to probably start Colorado and then the date right on the card, which I'll probably do that on the card first, so it's easier to manipulate. And I think from there, I'll come back with you and take a look at what I have left in this kit, which... oh, it's going to be tricky to get another layout from it. But I'm going to look and see if any of my stickers will work for this and bring in my enamel dots, and we'll finish this up together. All right, so quick check-in. I popped up all of my cameras on a little bit of foam. So they're all popped up. And then I went ahead and used the punctuation bits from this alphabet, and I put them between the cameras to kind of bring that glittery gold on that side. So that's done in my opinion. Let's see what else. I did get the Colorado 2020 on my 3x4 card, and it is fighting because it's not staying down well enough. That is rude. All right, so now I'm starting to look at the Amy Tangerine Picnic in the Park glitter stickers that I have. I find this to be adorable, this little rainbow. So I'm wondering, can you put a rainbow on the side? Because I don't really have a place to put it that. Oh, I can put it right here. Aha. That is cute. That's like super cute. Okay. Let me cut this little rainbow. Can you cut a rainbow? That just seems kind of rude. Sorry, I know my arm's like awkward, weird. Okay, so So I have a little rainbow on the top there, and that makes me happy. So that's cute. I guess I have some rainbow bits for later on to use. All right. I did like this cute little turquoise and white arrow bits. So let me get a little, I have this little piece of foam sitting here just wanting to go onto something. So that works, and I can get a little bit of dimension. So do I go there or do I go here? I kind of like it better there, but I like the idea of it bringing attention here. So we must just go for it. Okay, I like that. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I think I can get in here from this. I do like these bright colored flowers because it can bring in some of the brights there. So let's see what I can do. I mean, it's a little tricky because I have the unicorn icon, you know what I'm saying, and cameras. But I guess it's going to be unicorn, cameras, and flowers. That might be how this ends up playing out. So I'm going to just kind of get them in, I think is how it's going to go. So I'm doing a bit of a diagonal thought in my head because I want to get them in. And, you know, the only color I'm not bringing in too much is this really deep magenta because it's just a little bit too off. And I think I'm going to bring in some gems for the flower centers. I think that would be cute. All right, I don't really have any black in here. I'm just double checking. Don't have that deep green. Okay, so I am done shopping with Amy Tangerine. Let's see if I have anything I can use for Bloom Street. Now, Bloom Street is softer and watercolory and all of that goodness. We all agree, correct? And this looks so plain to me. So let's see if there's anything I can come up with. I can do hearts and flowers. We can do hearts and flowers. Some of these are just big though, but we're gonna make it work. Let's see. We're just gonna kind of dot them around and kind of have a bit of a cascade vibe coming down. That's really cute. There's always room for hearts and flowers. That's how I feel about that situation. All right, so we have that. So I might be able to fill in, now I know I want the little blings on there. So let me get my gems really quick and look for some itty bitty ones so I can feel like the flowers get to be fancy. Let's see. So I have the year, I have the location, I have a title. So the rest is just a few sprinkly bits, I guess. Let's see. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 4. All right, let's look for a different one. Too big. Oh, here's some. Awesome. I have plenty here, and these are kind of iridescent, which is cool. All right, let's get these little gems in the center of each of these flowers, which would make it super, super cute. Super, super cute. There we go. And there. So I like that instead of like the black centers. That's awesome. Now, since I have the gems there, I think I'm going to do just a little bit of enamel dot stuff for the rest of it. Now, in a perfect world, I would have gold enamel dots. I don't even have any idea if I do. So probably not going to fight too hard with that. I did just find these. These are called Candy Dots by Bo Bunny. And they are just from Tuesday morning, but because I have little hearts, so I was thinking maybe I can pop in some of these bright pink ones as part of these little cluster bits I'm doing. Oh, it shifted. Oh no. Oh no. We are having shifting, people. Oh gosh. Do you know if I wasn't on camera, I could actually do that and not look ridiculous? It's true. Okay, so let's bring little heart, like right by big girl. That would be cute. Or is that weird? Is it cute or weird? Is it cutely weird? So 1, 2, there's that one. So I think that is super fun. 1, 2, maybe 1, 2, 3. I think 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh gosh. So I have that. I'm thinking some gold mist, and this project might actually be done. I like it. I might have to put a little adhesive here, but it's fun and it's cute. I'm just used to putting tons and tons of stuff on everything. So let me get my favorite mist, which is, let me shaky shake without it shaking too much right in your face. The Jen Hadfield, it is called Gold Glitter. And let me get a little mixed media box so that I do not get mist absolutely all over everything I've ever owned. Let's cover up the photo just a little bit, because this mist does rather large splatty bits. It does. So let's see. I want it to see how big that one is. I might actually soak some of that up. It's almost too big, and that's saying a lot for me. We like splatty bits. We just don't want it to be ridiculous, where it looks like you have gold nuggets on your page. And what I think I'll also do too is just do a little bit of sprinkling up and down here, not super big, so that they don't look like they're totally separate entities. Just a little bit. All right, so let me, oh my word, my paper towel has left me, I think. Okay, found some. Let me get a nice little soaker upper. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty bright. That's pretty bright. Okay, I'll be putting something under that, because I think I had a circular bit that I liked for right there. Yikes. Let's see. I did have like a little, oh, there it is. I knew I had a cute little rainbow circular bit that I really liked, and voila. Now what I think I'll do is that little pink heart that I had a question about. I will put it right in the center, and we're gonna pretend like all of that was on purpose. So with that in mind, let me move this over here just a little bit. Perfect. Now I'm happy. So you got to see how we hide our mistakes. All right, that's what I have today. I hope you like what I came up with. It was super fun to create. I mean, I was literally scraping product together to make this layout. So I think I'm gonna have to add in another background for my last layout for Mini Kit Monday. So I'll have the links down below for all of my other friends that are part of the Mini Kit Monday group. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Goodbye, friends.